Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalista here and I have an unboxing for you. I have done other fashion unboxings and this time it is something brand new. I hadn't even heard of it until they reached out to me. It's called Fashom and it's basically like the others, right? It's a little different though, and I think it's kind of, I don't know, I think it maybe is a little easier, maybe a little more affordable. We'll see. So basically, fill out your profile, do all that good stuff, send in your measurements, give them your preferences, set your budget, and then you get a email with like, I think did I have like 8 pieces? There were a number of pieces and you pick 5 that you want them to send you. And then you get them, and if you pick, I guess if you keep all 5, you get 30% off. If you keep 3 or 4, you get 20%. I mean, plus, trust me, I will put everything in the description box. There are referral codes. It's a $15 styling fee. If you sign up through me, you get that waived. So yeah, there you go. Let's give it a try. It came in a nice box very efficiently. Beautiful. Oh, that's so sweet. Does have a provided mailer envelope. That's great. Let's see if there's a note, prices, that kind of thing. Yes, there are prices. And here we go. Hi, Rebecca. It was a pleasure styling you in fresh, subtly vintage inspired looks. Please note some of your styles run very different in sizing, so we encourage you to try everything on regardless of the tag. I hope you love these rocking outfits. Love, Malls. Thanks, Malls. Okay, so this is true. Like, there were some and I'm like, is that a size 4 jean? I'm still like, I have anxiety over jeans. 30% off for keeping all 5, 25% off for keeping 3 or 4 pieces. So yeah. Okay, everything in this box is ranged from in the 30s to the $60 price point, so not terribly expensive. You get this fun little brick. I did say that my inspiration is, like, I love vintage and preppy and classic, and so let's see what I mean, I know what she sent me because I picked it, but seeing it in person, and I will do this briefly in terms of holding them up, and then we'll get to the trying on part, okay? Because I know you want to see that, I want to see it, I want to see what it looks like on me, and like these guys, you guys, if they're too tight, I'm not going to even show them to you because they're white, and nothing's funner than a pair of white pants that are too tight. I got my white pants on, I got my top pants on, right? Jimmy Fallon? So this brand is Just Black. I love them. And they are stretchy. They've got a little bit of distressed to it. You guys, you're probably watching this going, does Rebecca need another pair of white jeans? No, I don't. But do I like them? Yes. This is, oh, by the way, those jeans were, the jeans are $62, which, you know, that's not bad. Okay, this is cute because it's lightweight, but it's still got the plaid. I love pink. I love fashioning stuff with pink. This could be either really boxy or like a really cute, easy to wear, kind of, you know, if it hits you just at the right spot, or you can do the little French tuck, and then it's just like fun under jackets. It's really lightweight, and it is $40. I don't know what size this is. Like, did they cut out the size labels? That would be so nice of them. This one is so cool. I saw this in my preview and I'm like, why do I get these 60s like flashes of really cool, you know, career woman blouses, maybe even early 70s. I love this. And I know some people are going, Rebecca, really? No, it's so cool. It is. I think it's the coolest thing. So, blouse, multicolored stripe. This is size S, and I'm, again, a little scared. $39. That's cute. And it's kind of a rayon. Now to the dresses. Oh, this dress, I want it to fit so much. It is a faux wrap. Well, I think it's faux wrap, because heaven help us if it's a real wrap, because that thing is coming apart on me. Oh no, do I have, No, I have a brand similar to this. It's called Gilli or Gilli, and look at this green, it's knit, Maxi Faux wrap, and it's $56. Oh, I love it. And then this one, ooh, also lily white or Ellie white. I think they got the label, somebody typed it up. It's supposed to be Ellie white. Anyway, look at this color. I love this. This is a little fit and flare dress. This is really cute. It's very simple, super cute. Love the color. This is like my wedding colors. It has like, I thought this was the back, but it's the front is the tie. That is really cute. Okay, and this dress is $45. I'm gonna try these on. Let's take a look. Guys, I love this blouse. I just love it. I know maybe it's not for everyone, but there is just something so cool about it. It's comfortable, but it's dressy. I like the cut and the way the sleeve is kind of full. Oh, it has like a little button right there. The V-neck I find flattering with the stripes. Your eye doesn't know where to go, right? I mean, come on. Okay, the white jeans, you guys. I am not gonna zoom you in. I am not, they're kind of perfect, which scares me because I'm like, are they too perfect? If these were black, I would be in them in a heartbeat because they fit so incredibly well. Let me just give you a pan down to my ankles. The knee distress is like perfect. The length is perfect, but wow, right? Kind of second skin, kind of scary. I'm telling you though, amazing. And actually really comfortable. Like they hit me in the rise perfect. And yeah, so, okay. This is exactly what I thought. It is lightweight. It's like fits perfect in terms of where it hits. It feels like a t-shirt, but it's just a little bit more drapey. So not sure if it is kind of, I don't know. You know what I mean? Like, does it look kind of too like kid-like, or is it pretty darn cute? Because I think with a denim jacket, I think that's cute. Am I crazy? Yeah. Okay. Next. I love this color. I am in love with this color. It is so cute. Oh my goodness. And the cut, I'm just wondering if, I mean, it's actually, I think if I make it any smaller, I just need to gain 5 pounds. That's what I'll do. Just eat some cake. It's so easy to wear. Like, it's just feminine and flirty and comfortable. It can look dressy, but it doesn't feel dressy. Does that make sense? I really, really love it. This is so nice. This is so incredible. I have, this will be my 3rd dress in a knit like this that's floral. Oh my goodness, that completely nips in at the smallest part of your body. It is, trust me, if you don't have one of these dresses, you need to get them. You need to get one because it's the most flattering thing ever. So it is a faux wrap, which God bless, right? Has this little belt, and it comes, I'm wearing a wedge, so it might be long. If you're shorter than I am, it would probably, you would need to bring it up a couple inches on the hem, but it just graces over, you know, your body, and it's like flows, and it's beautiful. Here's the back. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing with Fashom. I'm so glad to introduce that to you guys if you haven't heard of it before. And if you have, let me know if you've signed up and gotten their boxes. So let me give you a few more details about how this works. Okay, not quite a fit. Enjoy free returns or exchanges. If you need an exchange, email us and we'll set you up with the right size. Yes. Save big on spending while you rescue. Dogs. You have 3 days to decide which items to keep or return. Remember, if you buy 3 or 4 items, you'll receive 25% off, and if you purchase all 5 items, you receive 30% off. And for every box that is sent out, they donate $1 to the Second Chance Dog Rescue of New York City. That is so cute. They have an app, so you can do it all through your phone if you wanted. I also know that just, so yeah, I'll be putting in my referral information, and you can get your styling fee waived on your first box. Yeah, so there you go. Well, that's everything, you guys. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed this video and you've subscribed to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up on this video, share it with your friends, refer, whatever, right? Okay. Follow me on Pinterest and you can see other unboxings I've done and fashion whatnots. And that's everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.